Hello everybody. So today I'm going to do something with some different colors. I got some new colors from Mixed Media Girl. And Marcy, if you're watching, please don't cringe when you see the colors that I'm putting all together on this. I have no idea how it's going to turn out, but we'll see. I'll let you guys be the judge of it. First of all, this is one that she's had for a while. It's Metallic Mixed Berry. And then I've got Payne's Gray Teal, one of the new ones. These came in a mystery box. Strawberry Copper, Marigold, Pinky Purple. I love it. And then another one that she's had for a while, Canary Yellow. So I have my turntable here. I have this little block of wood that I got at Hobby Lobby that fits right inside of a 12 by 12 frame. And I like it when I do the vase pours because it helps support it so it doesn't stretch the canvas. Then I have my vase centered on a 16-ounce cup, and I just make sure I wipe it down real good with isopropyl alcohol, and I have my gloves on so I'm not touching it and getting any of the oils and everything off my hands. Okay, so I think I've got that centered. I'm doing something different today. I've got 2 split cups, 3 apiece, and I'm just going to kind of do a kiss and pour them together on it, and have no idea what this is going to look like, but let's give it a go. I want to be sure it's covering the vase good and doesn't miss any of those spots. So I'm going to check this in a little bit before I pour it all out on here. Okay, let's help this out a bit. Okay, we're going to let that sit there and drip down a bit. Oh, you guys can't see the side. Hold on a minute. Okay, everybody, I want to show you this. It turned out so pretty. It's not dry yet, it's still wet. But I wanted to show you all this detail in here. The vase is really, really wicked. Look at those colors. I love the way they play together. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll show you the results in the morning. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.